Good evening, everyone, and a very warm welcome to the valedictory ceremony of Sangam, the interdepartmental fest of the postgraduate departments. I am Suela Dias, student of first MSc Chemistry, and I take this opportunity to warmly welcome each one of you to this event. What an accelerating journey it has been, packed with incredible talent, unstoppable energy, and moments worth celebrating. And so, after a day filled with vibrant energy and healthy competition, we gather now to acknowledge the brilliant efforts of all our participants, celebrate the spirit of Sangam, and bring this memorable fest to a formal close. We truly appreciate your enthusiastic presence here, despite a long day of events. We have with us our dignitaries present on the stage. They are Pro Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Melvin Dikuna SJ, Directors of MAFE and LCRI Block, Dr. Lovina Lobo and Dr. Asha Abraham, Staff Coordinators, Dr. Rita Krasta and Mr. Mohammad Tausif, and Student Coordinators, Mr. Akshay KV and Delvin Montero. A warm welcome to each one of you. To commence this evening's proceedings on a note of serenity and to seek blessings, we begin with a prayer. May I now call upon the choir team to lead us into prayer. Kindly rise.
दुनिया के लोगों ऊंची आवाज करो गाओ खुशी के गीत उसका गुणगान करो इबादत करो उसकी इबादत करो इबादत करो उसकी इबादत करो याद रखो कि वही एक खुदा है हमको ये जीवन उसी ने दिया है उस चारगाह से हम सब आए हम दो सना के हम गीत गाए रब का तुम शुक्र करो ऊंची आवाज करो गाओ खुशी के गीत उसका गुणगान करो इबादत करो उसकी इबादत करो इबादत करो उसकी इबादत करो
Thank you to the choir team for that truly uplifting and beautiful prayer song. A heartfelt welcome is a universal expression of respect and goodwill. To formally welcome our esteemed guest and the gathering, I now invite Mr. Akshay KV to present the welcome address.
Good evening to one and all present here. It's my privilege and honor to welcome you all to the valedictory function of Sangam 2026, the interdepartmental cultural extravaganza of postgraduate students of St. Aloysius Deemed to be University. As we come to the concluding moment of the vibrant celebration, we gather not only to announce the result and declare the champions, but also to acknowledge that spirit of talent, teamwork, and healthy competition that has defined Sangam 2026. As the outset, I extend a warm and respectful welcome to our esteemed dignitaries on the dais. A very special welcome to our Pro Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Melvin Dicuna SJ, whose leadership and encouragement continues to guide us towards excellence. Welcome, Father. I welcome Dr. Asha Abraham and Dr. Lovina Lobo, our respected directors of LCRA and MAFE Block, for their guidance and encouragement that empowers students to showcase their abilities with confidence. A heartfelt welcome to our dedicated staff coordinators, Dr. Rita Krasta and Mr. Mohammad Tausif P., whose planning, discipline, and behind-the-scene efforts have played a major role in the success of Sangam 2023-26. A warm welcome to my co-coordinator, Mr. Delvin Montero, for his dedicated effort in making this event successful. To all our respected deans, heads of various departments, faculty members, I extend a warm welcome and express my sincere gratitude for your encouragement, guidance, and your gracious presence. I also extend a cordial welcome to all the students of our university, both participants and audience. This valedictory marks a moment to celebrate the journey and achievements of Sangam. As we prepare to announce the result and recognize the winners, we are reminded that every performance, every effort, and every act of participation is a success on its own way. Sangam has brought department closer, built friendships, and highlighted that culture is a vital part of education. Once again, I warmly welcome everyone gathered here. Let us continue with the program and conclude Sangam 2026 with pride, appreciation, and joy. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshay, and a warm welcome to you as well. Great leaders inspire others to dream more, learn more, and become more. Keeping this in mind, may I now call upon our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Melvin Dicuna SJ, to deliver the Chief Guest Address.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಪ್ರಾಯ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ದೋಷ, ಕಿವಿ ದೋಷ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೋಷಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ. ಆ ದೋಷ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಮೋಸ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಈಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಭಾಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಸಾಕು, 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅದೇ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಮಾತಿನ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ student and staff coordinators, it feels good. All of you are waiting eagerly to receive the prizes. I'm sure that all of you have worked together. It has been a great journey, I believe, that working together as a team from different backgrounds. As the chief guest morning he mentioned, it is a confluence, whether from Kerala or Karnataka, whether Tamil Nadu or somewhere else. As the rivers come together, I suppose you also come together, like a Kudala Sangamandeva or Kudala Sangama area. So all coming together like that, maybe like estuaries, fresh water, marine water, all kinds growing together so that the area may become fertile and there may be new ideas. Today we have seen music, drama, art, literature, multiple things coming together. And I'm sure that has enriched each one of you, and at the end of the day you are feeling happy that we have done something. And you will remember for many years to come that we have worked together. I'm sure that Sangam has helped you to strengthen the teamwork, the collaboration, and various departments have participated in a very enthusiastic manner. Staff and students have worked together, and leaders have emerged. And as the morning, some have difficulties, some have got struggle, some have got more number, some have got less number, whatever it may be, that there was harmony, there was happiness and joy. I would like to wish all of you all well. Divided we fall, but united we stand. Whatever may be our value system, whatever may be our principles, I'm sure that you will respect all the students, all the staff members, all the coordinators. They have worked tirelessly to make this event a lively one. Let us carry forward the spirit of unity and creativity so that our lives will be filled with happiness and joy. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening.
Thank you, Father, for your words of inspiration. This fest truly wouldn't have been possible without each one of you. So many hearts, hands, and minds came together to make Sangam a grand success. To express our heartfelt gratitude, I now invite Mr. Delvin Montero, Student Coordinator, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks on this special occasion of Sangam 2026. First and foremost, I express our sincere gratitude to the President of today's valedictory program, Reverend Dr. Melvin Kotina SJ, Pro Vice Chancellor of St. Aloysius Deemed to be University, for his esteemed presence and inspiring guidance. I express my heartfelt thanks to Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis SJ, Vice Chancellor of St. Aloysius Deemed to be University, in his absence for his constant support and encouragement throughout the planning and execution of this event. I extend special thanks to our respectful director, Dr. Lovina and Dr. Asha Abraham, for their valuable guidance and leadership. My sincere thanks to our staff coordinator, Dr. Rita Krasta and Mr. Mohammad Tausif P, for their dedication, planning, and smooth coordination of this program. I would also like to thank my co-student coordinator, Mr. Akshay, for all his support during the Sangam event. I extend my appreciation to the Dean, Associate Deans, Assistant Deans, Heads of the Department, and Program Coordinator of Wages Department for the motivation, guidance, and continuous support throughout the event. I also extend heartfelt gratitude to all teaching staff for the fulfillment of various responsibilities and smooth coordination extended to the student community. A special thanks must be made to the non-teaching staff for the timely technical and operational support throughout the event. A special word of thanks to all postgraduate students for your active participation and enthusiasm, which truly added value to the event. Finally, I thank everyone present here today for making this program meaningful, successful, and memorable one. Thank you, one. Have a great day.
Thank you, Delvin, for your words of gratitude. And now it's the time that many of us were eagerly waiting for. The recognition of the outstanding talent, hard work, and victory. I request the certificate distribution team to kindly take over.
Good evening. Today is all about celebrating your hard work. Let us celebrate our achievements and also appreciate the success of others. And now, I'm here to lift the curtains and reveal the names you all have been curiously waiting for. So, let us begin the prize distribution ceremony. Prize winners, kindly note, when I call your name, please enter from my right, receive the prize, and please leave from my left. Okay. May I now request Dr. Lovina Lobo, Director of Mafe Block, come forward and felicitate the prize winners. To begin with, the first event, that is photography. The third prize is backed by Marvin Siqueira, MA Business Economics. Student, as I call your name, please come quickly and receive the prize. Second prize, Akshay KV, MSc Physics. And the first place, Satvik GN, MA Media and Communication. Moving on to the next event, that is creative writing. The third place, backed by Ananya, MCom Finance and Analytics. Second place goes to Numa Zuhara P, MSc Psychology. And the first place goes to Padma Priya, MSc Chemistry. Quiz. The third place goes to Glenn Stavin D'Souza and Sebin Benny, MA English. Second place is backed by Rosalind Martis and Delin Dias, MCom. And the first place, Chinmay Ram DT and Ravi Kiran, MCom. Chinmay and Ravi Kiran on stage. Collage. Third place is backed by Shreya and Pearl, MCom Finance and Analytics. Second place, Alvia Sheikh and Kanchan, MSc Food Science. And the first place, Khatija Samia and Fatima Rifa, MSc Food Science. Debate. The third place is backed by Padma Priya and C. Kirtana, MSc Chemistry. Second place, Khadija Taiba, Cheryl P. Anil, MSc Psychology. Second place, Khadija Taiba, Cheryl P. Anil, MSc Psychology. And the first place is backed by Stephen Joshua Sequeira and Michelle D'Souza, MA Business Economics. Wealth out of waste. The third place backed by Yashaswini and Ansita Jewel was MSc Biochemistry. Second place, Aukash MA and P. Brahman, MCom. And the first place is backed by Suhani BC and Nishita, MSc Chemistry. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request Dr. Asha Abraham, Director of LCRI Block, to come forward and continue with the prize distribution. The next event, Rangoli. The third place is backed by Shravya and Suhani BC, MSc Chemistry. place, Chinmay S. Acharya and Vanita HD, MSc Food Science. And the first place is backed by Sanya and Usha MM, MSc Food Science. Group singing, the third place backed by MSc Chemistry, and the second place goes to MSc Biotechnology. Third place, MSc Chemistry. Second place goes to MSc Biotechnology. And the first place is backed by MSc Food Science. Next event, folk dance. The third place goes to MA English. And the second place goes to MSc Food Science. Third place, MA English. And the second place, MSc Food Science. And the first place backed by MSc Biotechnology. Shuttle badminton. Third place goes to Lena KL and Punish of MSc Food Science. Second place, Jansita Jose and Johnson Thomas, MSW. Second place, Jansita Jose and Johnson Thomas, MSW. And the first place, Clinton Pranoy Kutina and Melish D'Souza, MCOM Finance and Analytics. Volleyball, the third place goes to MSc Chemistry. Second place, MSc Finance and Analytics. Second place, MCom Finance and Analytics. And the first place, MSW. Throw ball. Third place goes to MSc Biotechnology. Second place goes to MSc Chemistry. And the first place goes to MSc Mathematics. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, congratulations to the winners. Let this prize remind you that the hard work always pays off. May this achievement inspire you to keep learning, growing, and striving for excellence. May I now request Mr. Mohammad Tausif, Coordinator of Sangam 2026, to announce the winners of the variety competitions and the overall championship. This is indeed the most awaited moment of the event. Over to you, sir.
A very good evening to all. We have now come to the most awaited moment of Sangam 2026. Today, the stage witnessed rhythm, colors, stories, laughter, and extraordinary talent. Every department showcased incredible teamwork and spirit. Each performance truly made this event vibrant and memorable. However, true victory lies in the memories that you have created today, the friendships built, and the spirit that brought us together. It's now the time to announce the winners of Sangam 2026. I request Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Melvin Dikuna SJ, to give away the prize of Sangam 2026. Fine. First, let me take this opportunity to announce the best theme of Sangam 2026. Kindly note, this prize will not be considered for the overalls. The best theme of Sangam 2026 goes to team number 9, MSc Biotechnology. Congratulations to the winners. It's now time to announce the best MC of Sangam 2026. Please note that best MC will also not be considered for overalls. The best MC of Sangam 2026 is, we'll tell tomorrow. Team number 2, MSc Food Science. Congratulations. Let me now announce the prizes of Variety Entertainment. To begin with, the winner's announcement. The second runners-up in the Variety Entertainment is team number 11, MA English. Congratulations to the winners. The first runners-up of Variety Entertainments are team number 12, MSc Chemistry. Congratulations to the winners. And now the winners of Variety Entertainment, the team that captivated the audience and impressed the judges with their outstanding performance is team number 2, Food Science. Now comes the grand suspense moments. The announcements of overalls. I request Dr. Rita Krasta to kindly join with the dignitaries for the presentation of overall award. The overall champions of the Interdepartmental Cultural Extravaganza 2020-26 are second runners-up are Yamcom. Congratulations to the winners. The first runners-up are MSc Chemistry. Congratulations to the winners. And the overall championship of Sangam 2026 goes to MSc Food Science.
Just a boy, 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 just a boy. 魔界の空でピカピカ、ちびやくまでも心はプラ。笑って走ってドッキドキルン、ちょっと変なパワーがバン。黒い翼フラフラスウェイ、でも夢はきらめくブライトネスプレイ。子供みたいにほらほらおい、俺はまだまだ just a boy。体充電、ときめく日、周りが動く。
Congratulations to all the winners and every participant who made this cultural extravaganza a grand success. Let the spirit of creativity and collaboration continue until Sangam 2027 and thereafter also. Thank you, Father. Thank you, one and all.